Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. All right, so this is going to be kind of a short update here. I got both the drums set and adjusted. This is it just dragging on both sides. Those are all done. Now I know I read a list of stuff. See, I got that other one all on. I read a list of stuff to you last time that was incomplete. And we're going to write a couple new things down here. One of them is correct size battery and a battery tie down, because we don't have that. And this thing is designed for a much larger power cell than what it's got in there now. So let's write that down. We'll write don't mind my spelling. I graduated high school, but you'd never know it. I got 1,000,000,005 vacuum leaks to chase down, I'm sure, but we'll burn that. We'll burn that after we cross it. She's kind of greasy, dirty. It's a nasty looking old coil, but it was running, so we're not going to screw with that. My accelerator pump is coming. Supposed to be here on the 3rd, and once we get that in, we should be able to get it to run. I'm considering, now that I found that leaky wheel cylinder there on the passenger side, maybe I'll just fill that right up with brake fluid. That right there. And try bleeding the brakes out. And, I don't know. Probably not. That might be a bad idea. I should probably just go with the Mustang 2 aftermarket thing. But we'll see. In the interior, the things that I didn't add there before was a seat belt. The seat belts need to be replaced because they're kind of, yeah. This side, all good. This side, not so much. I'd love to be able to find this color cover, but all I'm finding is chrome, and the bar inside here, it's all rotten. So yeah, this is going to be a swap out and replace. I got to solve this latch. Does not latch. But we'll get there soon. Did I mention that this thing comes with the... come on, take it out of there. I got the factory owner's manual. That's kind of cool. So, yeah, this is going to be... I don't know. I gotta do a little internet research and figure out about that. I know this rear vent thing. There's no vacuum line in that. Oh, and this. Look what Wifely Unit got me for a key ring for this old bird. I thought that was kind of cool, and it matches real nice. It's got a real nice heavy weight to it. Very nice little piece. But yeah, and I got to fix the dash. Oh, there, I got it for a second. Did you see? Oh, there it is. Oh, don't fuck with it. Yeah, I got to clean that little, I got to clean the contacts inside that switch so that that works correctly. That shouldn't be too bad, too much grief. I guess it's just a matter of getting this out and fishing it out up under the dash here and getting that all cleaned out. Geez, that door shut's nice. Well, we've had, what the hell? More of these damn things. They're like sand, I swear to God. All right. Can anybody tell me, is there supposed to be sound deadening on that, on those panels? And how concerned should I be about this? Should I peel this panel off and get under there and try and clean that? You look down at the bottom, she's kind of showing a little bit of cancer there too. It looks to me like there used to be a sound deadening panel on this, but it got removed. Should I put that back on? Should there be a sound deadening panel up here? Because I'd kind of like this to be quiet. Oh yeah. Wifely also got me this hat. It's kind of cool. We're thinking about making them for March. I don't know. She's all for it. I'm not necessarily a fan. I hate it when YouTube channels try and sell you stuff. Love how that hood closes. All right, so I guess right now we're waiting on Wifely's out making money at the moment. She's going to come back with, my God, what a beautiful interior. Love that interior. It is just so cool. She's supposed to be coming back with 20 new lug nuts for me today. I don't think we're going to use them today, but it'd be nice to have on hand. We have to get these brakes bled. And then I can put it back on the ground for a while. I got an idea, sitting up on stands like this ain't the best for the body, because it is, you know, old school unibody. Yeah, I got quite a laundry list. I think I'm going to stick with that. Let's get that accelerator pump fixed so that the engine will run a little bit better. We'll chase maybe some vacuum leaks, get the engine so that it runs. And I don't know, maybe I'll give a try to bleeding the brakes at that point. It would be nice to have brakes bled before I put it back on the ground. It's a lot easier. Well, it's nigh impossible on these fronts to have the tire on and bleed it. There's the bleeder. They all turn free, all four. Maybe I should take this all off and get inside the hub here and maybe repack the wheel bearings, clean that up. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think I should go after that? Maybe I should grease all the front end while I get it up here and it's easy to get to. Shock's got to happen. That's not going to, well, it's going to be relatively inexpensive. Maybe I should go shop it online for them right now. In fact, I think that's probably what I'm going to do. So, let's get pointed this way so we get that nice, oh yeah. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Take time to please subscribe, select that like button, the little bell icon, little thumbs up, definitely helps the channel. Comment, I mean, I have questions. I'm filled with questions. Bonnie gave me her cold. It's not fun. But hopefully we'll keep picking away at it, and eventually we're gonna have a big test ride with this old girl. I can't wait for that day. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one, and have a happy new year. This has been an Empty Pockets production.